The following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake Home Show. HGTV stars Tamara and Patric Richardson are here with incredibly helpful tips to help turn your home and clothes from drab to fab. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
It's great to see you. Okay, Tamara, let's start with you. How can we make our home into a space of laid-back luxury? I really like this idea.
Thank you. You know, it's one of those things. I have 4 kids, and it's a very busy house. I love it to be beautiful and stunning, but it needs to be livable. It's got to be kid-friendly, pet-friendly, life-friendly.
Oh, that's a really good point. We need it to be kid-friendly. We have a lot of kids here in Utah, so you want it to be beautiful, luxurious, but kid-friendly, pet-friendly. These pictures are gorgeous. Can we do it on a budget, do you think?
You can. You can make laid-back luxury happen at all price points. I'm going to be talking all about that at the home show this weekend.
You got to get to the show so you can learn those tips. Okay, Patric, tell us about laundry. You have 5 laundry tips to talk about to go from dirty to divine. We need help.
Yeah. Well, actually, the first tip should be everything is washable. Nothing has to go to the dry cleaner. I can tell you how to wash everything you own, your overcoat because it's cold, or your parka. Your second tip is you're using too much detergent.
Wait, what? We're using too much?
I don't know how much you're using, but I know it's too much.
Okay.
You only need about 2 tablespoons for a really full load.
2 tablespoons. I'm using like the entire cup.
Yeah,
okay.
so it makes your crunchy towels, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
The next tip is you can do most things with vinegar and water. Like vinegar and water is one of my favorite sort of stain removers. It's my go-to. Your fourth tip is when you use less detergent, you can use the express cycle. So you can do every load in 30 minutes or less.
If you use less detergent?
If you use less detergent, the garments hold less water, so they dry faster.
Is this with liquid and powder?
It's with liquid or powder.
Is one better than the other?
It's whichever one you prefer. They both work.
Okay, whichever's on sale.
Yeah, exactly. And then my last tip, which is funny, is you need a spray bottle of vodka.
Okay,
yeah,
I've heard of this one.
Yeah, because vodka will remove the odor from anything. So if you wear something and you go to a restaurant and you come home and you smell like the restaurant, you can just spray it with vodka and then you don't even have to wash it.
On any material?
On any material, it's completely safe. And vodka's unique. When it dries, it's odorless and colorless. So you don't have to worry about smelling like vodka.
Get extra bottles at home, but you're using it for cleaning and smelling good. I love that. Is that what you'll be teaching at the home show? Tell us about that.
I'm telling all of those tricks and actually more, because I'm going to tell you how to use all of these products in your laundry room, but then how to take them through the rest of your house.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.
What are you both excited for at the show? Tamara, let's start with you.
Well, I love learning all these tips and tricks. I'm very excited because I've learned so much this morning already, but I'm excited to share what we have done on Bargain Mansions and see what people are bringing to the show. I love seeing people's houses, seeing their pictures, and love answering questions.
Absolutely. Okay, Patric, what are you excited about?
Oh gosh, the thing I'm always most excited about is meeting everybody, because somebody comes in with some sort of stain and they go home with a solution, and I don't know, it's just super fun. And then beyond that, I always love looking around because there's probably something I need.
There is, something we all can use, right? Okay, you guys gonna be on stage when?
I'll be on stage tonight at 6 o'clock and tomorrow at 1.
Okay.
And I'm at 5 today and 3 tomorrow.
Okay, amazing. The show is running right now all the way through Sunday. The information is on the bottom of your screen, and we are both so thankful for these tips. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.